Good morning, everyone. My name is Jyotsna Perlin. I am studying in second B. I am Sarojini Naidu, also known as Nightingale of India. Since I was a little girl, I loved reading, writing poems. My poems are about nature, about love, and about my country. People love my poems so much, they call me a Nightingale of India. I also worked very hard for India's freedom. I joined Gandhiji and other leaders. I gave speeches. I, I joined marches. I told everyone, be brave, be strong, love your country. I was the first woman president of the Indian National Congress. I was the first woman governor of Indian states. Dear friends, if you study well, if you are brave, if you love your country, you can also do great things. Thank you so much. Jai Hind.